Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes to video in CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your video or photo you like to edit, and I'm going to open my project. So there is one image and to video. I'm going to open my project video and I'm going to split before. So for first one, for the first clip, I'm going to add the keyframe. So tap on keyframe icon like right here. Make sure in the first frame and scroll to the right, and you can zoom in or zoom out for just for scale. And then swipe to the right again, and you can adjust for the scale again. Right, for the end frame you can adjust for the scale again, and you can see for the difference like this. Like so. There you go. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.